Searching for a way to achieve this beautiful buttercream design on your screen, please look no further, because on this video we are going to be walking you through a step-by-step process on how to achieve it. If you're new to my channel, you are welcome. This is your sign to hit the subscribe button, because we are going to get started, and you are welcome to Cake Home. So without much ado, we went right to set up everything we'll be needing for it. Our turning table, our cake board, we cleaned it up using the vinegar, and we started placing our cake. We are going to be stacking the cake using the buttercream, and afterwards we'll do the main business. Honestly, I have said it over and over again, I cannot fault this buttercream. It is stable, it is delicious, it is not overly sweet, and it has got no grittiness in it. If you want a detailed step-by-step process of how to do this, achieve this buttercream, I have left several videos of that in my timeline. So I proceeded to covering the cake first, to do the first thin buttercream covering of the cake, just to prevent the crumbs from scattering everywhere. People call it crumb coating. If you know another name for this, please put it in the comment section. I have always known it from my school days as crumb coating. So this is what I did to prevent the crumbs, as I said before, from scattering everywhere. And once this is done, one thing I do with this, or to achieve a stable buttercream, is I tend to chill my cakes. So after crumb coating, I put it back into the fridge to set, after which I started off another phase of the cake decoration. The next thing I did was to now apply generous buttercream on the cake to achieve the design. Please, if you're new to baking, pay close attention to the way I'm holding my spatula knife. I've got a detailed and slow motion video as well on how to hold your spatula knife as well, in order to achieve an even spreading with your buttercream or your chocolate ganache, whichever one that you're using. Once I was done with this, I went on with my scraper just to achieve the smooth edges. You are free to do as much times as possible, just until satisfied. So keep scraping until you feel that you've gotten to that smooth layer that you want. And this is what we have been able to achieve after multiple times, and I mean multiple times. So take your time, do it, no rush. Don't really think that because you see it being done 2 or 3 times in videos, then it has to be. No, do it, feel free, do it as much times as you deem necessary until you get that smooth end. So I went on with this flower cutter to achieve the dentations on the cake, and then I used my red buttercream, the buttercream I colored red obviously, to follow the pattern I have indented on the buttercream, just like I'm doing on the video. This I did follow the pattern I had earlier used the flower cutter to achieve on the buttercream, and I did that all over the cake. So I'm sure you were able to get this part. So this I did every area I indented, that I applied the buttercream around it. Honestly, I enjoyed doing this every bit of the way. This I enjoyed doing because I don't know how to explain it, but I felt it was quite artistic and fun to do, to achieve. So all you needed to do was just to follow the pattern and you will achieve it. So the next thing after applying all these things that I had to do was to use my brush, and then I started achieving the flower or floral designs. Look at what I'm doing on the video, just brushing it inwards. Just use your brush and brush it inwards. If it gets in excess, just take out the excess and continue brushing inwards as well. You'll be able to achieve this floral design. Honestly, this is very beautiful and easy to achieve. It's not as fast as you're seeing me do it in this video. I had to take a little time to do it, but I needed to fasten this video so it won't be so long for you to watch. So I continued until I was able to get this pattern on every bit of it. One thing I forgot to tell you is, after creating that indentation with the floral cutter, I popped the cake back into the fridge to firm up again, so that when I'm doing this design on it, it wouldn't smear You understand? It wouldn't smear alongside. So I needed the buttercream to firm up a little bit so I could achieve this design on it. So this is just it, literally. And once I am done, I started placing my beads on the cakes. I was generous with the beads and then placed the final designs, the floral design. Feel free to do anything you want on this. I hope I've been able to teach you how to achieve this floral design that is just not difficult. All you needed to do was to draw the pattern with your flower cutter and then apply your buttercream and use your brush. Start scraping inwards. With that, you'll achieve your floral design. Do not forget to please like, share and subscribe to this channel, because honestly this channel has been filled with tutorials on how to make our baking journey easy and stress-free. And if you've watched up to this extent, I am grateful. The video is still few seconds left. Feel free to watch to the very end and see the design, the beautiful piece that we are making at the very end. And here am I again saying thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video. Don't forget to share again, like and subscribe. Until I come your way again with another design, please stay safe and keep baking. Enjoy the rest of the video with this beautiful song.
From the oven to your heart, everybody's a work of art, made with love, made with care. Sweet little moments, sweet, oh share. Cake on bakes, we taste the love freshly made, sent from above.